I'd say it was a wonderful experience because people here were super friendly. I made a lot of friends and my lecturers were particularly helpful. And honestly, I was given a lot of opportunity to try and error and to learn. And even when it came to my final year project, we weren't limited with our topics. So we were given free range over what we would like to do. And honestly, I think that is a very good thing because some places they tend to limit the scope of the student themselves. But here, because of our lecturers themselves and their way of sort of structuring the course in a way that you are able to try, you are able to freely think, and I think that is wonderful. So I think for me, my career journey actually starts even before I graduated. So at the point of my internship in April of 2022, that was the starting point of my career. And after which I actually completed my internship and I was told I did very well and I got a permanent position immediately after. So in August I started my job, and overall career journey wise I would say there were challenges, new environment, new people. I was far away from home, and honestly working life is a bit different, I would say. And that's because in working life you don't get a chance to just make a mistake and it's fine. It's not like that anymore. It's not like school. So to adapt to that change, it was a bit difficult, but overall I think it was fine. Yeah, my career journey was okay, and I graduated in December of the same year, 2022. I am doing manufacturing engineering. I know it does not say biomedical engineering, even though that's what it is on my degree, but overall what I do is very related to the medical field. We do a lot of defect and yield. We handle these defects and yields, and the product I'm doing is on the lead. So initially it was a design transfer to manufacturing, so I'm handling this transfer from the R&D itself, and we are producing it here. And we're going through testing like microbiological testings and product performance qualifications. And this way we can prove to FDA that yes, our lead is good and our product is meeting all criteria, and we are able to get these kind of approvals so that we are able to sell to other countries. Aside from that, I also do a lot of statistical process controls. We monitor graphs to see the performance of your equipment over time, and we also have continuous improvement projects. And these are like Kaizen-based projects, and they are to ensure efficiency of the product and also the production line.